The trick to compile sewing machine components is undoubtedly a secret. Today, you will witness the amazing process. It all begins by fixing the rod in the trunk of the machine. Side-by-side spring is also attached to measure all the angles. After the careful assembly of small gears, now it's time to fix the hand-moving part. The workers keenly check the speed and efficiency. Finally, after many quality checks, the skillful craftsmanship effectively compiled all the moving parts together. The durable sewing machine is very good for stitching beautiful dresses.